Hello and welcome. My name is Thierry Vieille and I present to you the first lesson of Idealtake use. Idealtake is a search engine that you can install on Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8. The goal of this first lesson is to create new database locally, create account, create, record, display the result. You have installed Idealtake on your computer and you launch it. Here is a list of the database known by the software. We go to Edition Elimination tab and we add a new database. Title of connection will be Test 001. Server address is the localhost 127.0.0.1. User is root. Password is the one that you have put when you have installed MySQL Server on your computer. The name of the database, and then here we have create new empty database. So in this session of the software on this computer, we will have a new connection here, and we will have created on the MySQL server a new database. We have to add path of files for different kind of documents. For diagram, we will use local path on my computer here, and we will do it 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a title, a description here. Here it's an automatic description in German, English, Spanish, French and Italian. You can change it. This description will be shown when you select a connection. Here is the description that we have here. You can change it, make what you want, something useful, and that will be easiest for user to know exactly the use of a database. So test 001, different kind of description. I won't change it for now. The server address 127.0.0.1, user root password, name of database test 001, and different kind of local path on this computer for diagram, synopsis, instructions, product description and picture document. So we are finished and we have to click on add. We can see the creation of the database on the local server. If there is an error, you can see it. No error has occurred. We come back to connection tab, and as you can see, we have test 001 with description. So I select English language and let's go. Connection. Now we need to create a user account. It will allow us to create a record. Come in the management of database and click on adding a record. Go to create your account section, enter the username, your password, an address, email here, and provide an answer to the selected question. Press recording. You go to Authenticate field and type your name and password. Click on Authentication. Click on the top of the page on Adding a record. Let's learn the number of field recording. For example, REC1001. We will enter only the fields in English. Title, subtitle, comment, let's click on the recording. Go back to Simplified Research tab. And let's type in the record field the word REC. Then rely on search. Back in the tab Management of Database. Then click on the Setting button at the bottom. Checkbox Maintenance Transfer Idealtake. Then click Close to return to the database management. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Information and Transfers. For document type electrical diagram, we will check with the local destination path. Then click Local and Updated. The end of the path must end with a backslash. Click on Updated. Then click on New Document. Uncheck Details by language. Then click on Select File. Click on Transfer. Back in the tab Simplified Research, I consult in the meantime the latest research. So type REC in the field Record, then start the search. As you can see, the associated recording image is visible. This lesson is over. Thank you for your attention, and I talk to you soon.